Blow out. To extinguish candles or strong gusts of wind. Make a wish and blow out the candles on your birthday cake. The strong wind blew out the candles on the patio. Blow up. To explode or increase in rage. The old building will be blown up to make way for a new one. I accidentally blew up the microwave by heating metal. Fall apart. To break or disintegrate. The old bridge started to fall apart and was deemed unsafe. Their relationship fell apart due to constant arguing. Pass away. To die or transition. She passed away peacefully in her sleep. We mourn the loss of our loved one who passed away suddenly. Fall out. To have a disagreement or fallout. They used to be close friends, but they fell out over a misunderstanding. The business partners fell out after disagreements about the company's direction. Get away. To escape or take a break. They planned to get away to a secluded island for their vacation. She needed to get away from the city to clear her mind. Go through with. To complete or carry out something despite difficulties or doubts. He decided to go through with the surgery despite the risks. She went through with her plan to quit her job and start her own business. Hang around. To spend time or linger in a place. After school, they would hang around the park chatting with friends. He enjoyed hanging around the coffee shop during his lunch breaks. Hold out. To endure or remain resilient. The soldiers held out against the enemy's relentless attacks. She held out hope for a positive outcome despite the setbacks. Add up. To calculate or make sense. I can't figure out why the numbers don't add up in this report. When you add up all the expenses, the total is quite high.